Thank you for choosing plugmate. This video will walk you through the initial setup. Before we begin, please ensure you have the plugOS client installed. You can download it directly from plugos.net or your platform's app store. Inside the box, you will find everything you need. The plugmate device, your quick start guide, warranty card, and product key, a Stention Type-C cable, and protective case. First, let's connect. Launch the plugOS app. Once you insert the plugmate device, the status light on the bottom will pulse, and the app will instantly discover the Add New Device. Click Add Device to proceed. The product key required for binding is included in the box. You can bind the device by scanning the QR code using your phone or computer camera. If a camera is unavailable, you can capture the QR code as an image and import it directly into the client. Once connected, you can assign a custom name to your device for easy identification. You are now connected. In the plugOS mobile app, you have full control over your privacy. You can toggle permissions for audio playback, clipboard access, shared folders, and even enable or disable screenshots. When you reach the Protect Your Phone section, the system will ask you to establish user authentication. You have 3 secure options: pattern, PIN, or password. Please remember, your credentials are the key to your device's security. Keep your PIN safe. Now, you are ready to go. On mobile, navigate intuitively using the bottom controls or the floating ball. When you temporarily do not need to use the device, you can suspend or close the software. You can quickly return to the plugOS system. But if you unplug the device, it will shut down immediately. You must repeat the boot process to enter again. On PC, use the top control bar to switch orientation or manage power. For power users with multiple plugmates, you can plug them into the same computer simultaneously, managing each device in its own separate window. You are now fully set up. We hope this guide helps you get the most out of plugmate. For advanced features or to share your feedback, welcome to the comments section or our community forum. Thank you for choosing plugmate. Goodbye.